Hi, I'm George Clarke. Now, usually I can be found checking out unusual and amazing places that people call home. But today, I'm in Hackney's London Fields, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Now, rather than looking at ways to create a new home, today we're looking at ways that you can protect where you live. I've teamed up with Arlo, and they provide some fantastic innovative products so you can protect your home from wherever you are. Now, in the UK, the number of break-ins that happens to your front door is a staggering 74%, and the number of parcel thefts that happen at your front door is increasing by a quarter every single year. Now, the Arlo video doorbell is the first full picture doorbell. That basically means it can see so much more. You can see the person at the door really clearly from top to toe, and you can even see the parcel that's been left on your doorstep. So that's a little bit about the Arlo video doorbell and how it can protect one of the most vulnerable parts of your home. It's simple and it's effective, and it gives you confidence to open your front door and order deliveries to your home, knowing that you're protected. For more information, check out the link in this video and stay tuned for my next video exploring more security products.